Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 60 English sentences for daily use. If you like this video, you must hit like the button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. So without wasting of time, let's begin. अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं. See you next week. See you next week. आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? Say mean कहना. हफ्तावार छुट्टी कैसी गुजरे? How was your weekend? How was your weekend? आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? मेरे साथ गड़बड़ मत करो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Mess mean गड़बड़ करना. मैं नहीं समझा. I do not understand. I don't understand. मौसम कैसा है? How is the weather? How is the weather? Weather mean मौसम. आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? Where are you from? आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name? What's your name? आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? उसे करने दो जो वो कर रहा है. Let him do what he is doing. Let him do what he is doing. मेरे पीछे मत चलो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. ये वहाँ पर दस्तयाब है. It's available over there. It's available over there. तुम किस मर्ज़ की दवा हो? What are you here for? What are you here for? मुझे ऐसे मत देखो. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. मुझे हिचकिचाहट महसूस होती है. I feel hesitation. I feel hesitation. आप कल रात कहाँ थे? Where were you last night? Where were you last night? नेकी का ज़माना ही नहीं है. It's not right time to do good. It's not right time to do good. अपना जहन बनाओ. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. आपका दफ्तर कब खुलता है? When does your office open? When does your office open? इस मौजू पर बात नहीं हुई. This point was not touched. This point was not touched. मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. I was stuck in traffic. I was stuck in traffic. Stuck mean फंस गया. मीटिंग मुलतवी कर दी गई. Meeting has been postponed. Meeting has been postponed. आज रात यहाँ आराम करें. Take rest here night. Take rest here tonight. इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? What does it matter? What does it matter? मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं. I don't care. I don't care. मुझे अपना तारुफ करवाने दें. Let me introduce myself. Let me introduce myself. तुम ऐसा करोगे? You will do so. You will do so. क्या आप देर से सोते हैं? Do you go to bed late? Do you go to bed late? आप कब सोते हैं? When do you go to sleep? When do you go to sleep? मैं सारी रात सो नहीं सका. I could not sleep all night. I could not sleep all night. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. अपनी किताबें बंद करो. Close your books. क्लोज योर बुक्स। दूसरों को तंग मत करो। डोंट डिस्टर्ब अदर्स। डोंट डिस्टर्ब अदर्स। तुमने उसे क्या सिखाया? What did you teach him? What did you teach him? Teach means सिखाना। वो सब कुछ जानता है। He knows everything. He knows everything. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? मैं बाहर जाना चाहता हूँ। I want to go outside. I want to go outside. Outside mean बाहर। तुम्हें वहाँ ज़रूर जाना चाहिए। You must go there. You must go there. नंगे पाँव मत चलो। Do not walk barefoot. Do not walk barefoot. Barefoot mean नंगे पाँव। आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. आसमान पर बादल छाए हुए हैं। The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. मेरे सर में दर्द है। I have a headache. I have a headache. Headache means सर दर्द। दूसरों पर मत हंसो। Don't laugh at others. Don't laugh at others. मैं कपड़े तय कर रहा हूँ। I am folding clothes. I am folding clothes. उसकी नीयत अच्छी नहीं है। His intention is not good. His intention is not good. मेरा कमरा दूसरी मंजिल पर है। My room is on the second floor. My room is on the second floor. अपने आप को संभालो। Get hold of yourself. Get hold of yourself. मुझे तुमसे बात नहीं करनी। I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. मेरा मूड खराब है। I am in a bad mood. I am in a bad mood. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता। No one can stop me. No one can stop me. मुझे तंग मत करो। Don't bother me. Don't bother me. Bother me तंग करना। खुदा आपके तमाम ख्वाब पूरे करे। May God fulfill all your dreams. May God fulfill all your dreams. खुदा आप पर रहम करे। May God bless on you. May God bless on you. कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything can happen. Anything can happen. मुझे मेरे हाल पर छोड़ दो। Leave me alone. Leave me alone. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।